how to fix incoming calls not showing on your screen. If you're a fan of phone tech tips tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Okay, all you have to do is go to your phone settings. Okay, scroll down. Okay, scroll down and look for applications. Okay, tap right on applications. Now we're going to look for what they call the phone application. That is usually a Samsung app setting. In the Samsung apps, scroll down and look for phone. Okay, there it is. Select the phone app, tap right there, and then you're going to look at this. You're going to look at what they call permissions. Okay, right there. You're going to make sure that all these permissions are turned on, all they are allowed. Make sure you tap allow for each of the permissions. Okay, yeah, just make sure you allow each of those permissions. Okay, yes, allow. And please, if you're a fan of phone tech tips tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family, because we upload videos about certain applications, probably problems you're facing, and you don't want to miss any of those videos because they really help to make our phone usages better and all that. Okay, so after enabling that, you can decide to go backwards, and then we're going to try to clear cache, to clear what they call cache. Make sure that solve this problem, clear cache. If this doesn't work probably for you, can try to clear the data as well, so that you solve this problem. And also you need to go back to the phone's application and make sure your notifications, okay, the notification part, you're going to allow sound and vibration. Okay, if this works for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.